Hi everyone, I thought I'd create a quick video to show you how to create a lead funnel campaign from start to finish. So that would include how to create a lead group, autoresponder emails, your capture widget and your capture page. And please feel free to pause this video as you go so you can follow along what I'm doing. The first thing you need to do is sign into your Markethive account. And the way to do that would be to click on the social media icon that you used to sign up with initially. I signed up with Google, so here goes. Alright, we're all logged in. This is my newsfeed and I can see what my friends have posted here. Isn't this little guy just adorable? Right, so to create a campaign, the first thing we need to do is click on campaigns. Now you can read all about the benefits of creating campaigns and all these other tools that Markethive has to offer to make your life just a little bit easier and more streamlined. For now, let's just click New Campaign. You want to give your campaign a name and you want to keep this consistent throughout the whole campaign, which so whatever name you use for your campaign, just use it for your autoresponder, your lead group, your capture page and everything else, just so that everything ties up and you don't get confused or start wondering what's what at a later date. So mine is YTE. Notes could be anything. No one's going to see this except you. So supposing you want to maybe your intent was to promote this via Twitter or something, so you can actually key in Twitter here, or in my case I'm promoting an ebook and so I'm going to say ebook. Then you click create campaign. You'll see your latest campaign would appear right at the bottom here, so that's done. Now the next thing to do is to create a lead group. So click on lead groups now and then new group. Like I said earlier, we want to keep everything consistent. So you guessed it, this is going to be YTE as well. Your new lead group has been created. Brilliant. So now let's go create our autoresponder email. I'm just going to create one email because I'm trying to keep this video short. You are of course welcome to create more than one. I would suggest a minimum of, I don't know, say 7 to 15. Now, since there are no emails, let's add an email. Alright, so to save time, I have just pasted my email subject in here as well as the email. These are the data tags right here. You can place them within the email if you need to. So here's the quick email I've created. Yes, it is signed off Andrew. That is on purpose because I created this for someone else. But yeah, I'll show you how to add an image. So Andrew, this is actually an image. So let me show you. Basically, you just need to click on this little image icon right here. And depending on where your image is located, so if you have it in your WordPress account or your hosting account somewhere, just copy the link and paste it here. And then you can set the alignment and things like that. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead, but what I do want to do is to link my ebook right here. And I have uploaded my ebook to my WordPress. So I'm going to click, you just click on your document. Then you go here, copy the link. And now we click this little link icon here, paste the link in. And just click OK. Now you'll see it turn blue, it's highlighted, there's actually a link. If you double click that, you can see it is linked. Okay, so that's done. We want to save this email. Whoops, before that, interval is how soon you want the email to go out. So if you select none, which is what I'm doing now, the email will actually go out as soon as the lead has opted in. But of course, you have the option to space it out. If I only want it to go out tomorrow, I'll say 1 day. If I wanted it to go out the day after tomorrow, so in 2 days' time, I would select 2 days. Alright, I hope that's clear. So I want to go out immediately, so none. Click Save Email. Alright, that's your first email done. Now the next thing we need to do is create our capture widget. So click on Pages, and here you'll see our capture widget. So create new, name, yes, YTE again. Here there are many different designs, so you can say subscribe and then it's in, you know, sort of a yellow gold color, or if you want to say join now, you can do that. There are others like click to connect, but for me I'm gonna go for the default widget, which is this. The redirect URL is where you want the lead to go after they have opted in. So I don't want them going anywhere really, because the ebook is going to be sent to them via email, so it's quite alright. Lead group, I'm going to choose YTE because that's the one I set up earlier. My autoresponder is also YTE set up earlier. The rest of it remains unchanged. Click create. Now this is done. This code belongs to this widget, so you can actually take this code and paste it in your own WordPress website, and this will appear right on your website and people can opt in right directly from there. But in my case, I want to make my life a little bit easier, so I'm going to create a capture page directly on Markethive. So click on Capture Pages, click on Create New. My capture page name, you guessed it, is YTE. My page name here is, it could be YTE, but since this is for Andrew, I'm going to say YTE Andrew. Okay, but you can put anything you like on there. Now I'm going to choose this design just because I like it. There are many you can choose from. Now the capture widget is YTE, the one we created earlier. Our page title, so you can give this any name you like. I'm going to say this, and that is also going to apply to my meta description. Now for the keywords, you can add as many keywords as you like. You just have to keep clicking add. Markethive is gaining traction. It's rising up in the search engines, so the search engines are going to start taking note of it, and hopefully your page comes up when people search for these keywords. So I'm going to go ahead now and pause this video while I add all my keywords. Alright, so I've added all my meta keywords here. There are about 10 of them, no problems. Then I went on to key in my header text. So this can be anything. I'll show you where it appears, and so you can edit as necessary. I do not need to embed any codes or, you know, YouTube videos or anything like that, and I'm not keying in anything extra as well. Otherwise, this is where you'll do it. Let me add some sample text. This is alright. So I'll show you where it appears. Let me just make this a little bigger. Okay, we're done. Let's create the page. Right, so your capture page is ready. This is the link, and so meaning this will be the link that you share with people if you want them to opt into your page. So this was my header text that I keyed in earlier, and this is the extra text if you have something extra to say. So now that you've created the whole funnel, I'll show you what happens. So let's imagine that we are a lead and this is where we've landed. So now let's opt in. Okay, that's it. Markethive thanks you. So now I would actually go to my email account and check for the email. That's what the lead would do. If you go back into your Markethive account, you would actually see this little star here lit up, and it will show that you have a new capture widget lead. Sorry. So you can also see that by going to leads and select your group and That's it. You'll see your leads. So you have their full name, their email address, their phone number, their Skype account, basically many ways to actually contact them, and that's what you want to do as soon as a lead comes in. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you'll be able to build your capture page and your entire capture funnel yourself and start seeing the leads come in. If you have any questions at all, please connect with me on Markethive. Do not write to this email address because it's full of spam. Alright, a lovely day to you.